What's up? Cash's Candy Classics Live. We're out here working on this 62. I'll flip it around and show you guys. Putting full front and rear suspension on it. There's all the rear suspension. Guys are always asking, you know, will it ride better? I mean, this car had 25,000 original miles. And you got that ball joint there. That bush in there, that bush in there. Pretty much that's what your whole rear end suspension is there. And you know, you change it all out. You go tubular. Now you have all poly bushings, new hardware. Same up top. You have a new ball joint here, which gives you a lot more articulation. It's a stainless steel pin we have made. Yeah, this gives your car an outstanding ride compared to that older stuff there. As far as the front, you know, with control arms, I'll show you guys kind of an overhaul of, you know, will it ride better. This car had 25,000 miles. I mean, this car looks amazing. It's amazing. California car. But you know, will it still float like a Cadillac? Will it still be a Cadillac, drive like a Cadillac? Those are wore out. Ball joints are probably gone, especially that one for sure. You have a bushing inside of there that the control arms replaces. You got these strut rod bushings here. 90% of the cars I see, this is what they look like. There's no more bush in there. You're just riding around on a metal rod. So that's what that replaces. Gives you all new ball joints. Really a tremendous, gives you your upper arms. It gives you a new cross shaft where you have these bushings on your control arms. You get poly bushings there as well, with a flat plated upper control arm. So that's a whole different ride. The only thing it doesn't replace is your tie rods here. You probably need to replace those if you're doing the control arms. So, and again, this rod that comes off of this bar here from the arm, this is where your heim joint goes into right there.